Hello dear ladies and gentlemen, very nice to meet you on our website, and today we'll speak about the basic movement in the Cha-Cha-Cha. So as you know, in Cha-Cha-Cha the basic movement called Cuban Motion. Cuban Motion consists of two parts, the pendulum and rotation. Now I will show you. So when we move doing our step, my hip is preparing, and I'm doing the pendulum action to transfer my weight from one axis to another. Then I'm doing the rotation to change the direction, rotation. And then I'm moving again. Step, preparation, pendulum, rotation. I will draw you how it looks like. So, we're making a movement forward and to the side, like one line. Then we're doing the rotation. Looks like this. Exactly on one axis, on one leg. Then I'm doing again the straight line to move the weight. And then I'm doing the rotation again. Pendulum and rotation. Pendulum and rotation. Transferring the weight, changing the direction. Transferring the weight, changing the direction. So if you can see this image, I will write down for you. This is a pendulum action, and the second one is rotation. The so-called Cuban motion. So, if you know, the basic step in Cha-Cha-Cha looks like chassé, cha-cha, 1, step forward, check, 2, 3, again chassé, cha-cha, 1, and the back replace, 2, 3. So how to use the basic movement? When I'm doing the step, I'm preparing the hip, then I'm doing the pendulum, then I'm doing the rotation, and then I'm collecting my leg, making again step, pendulum, rotation, and releasing the knee. Step, pendulum, rotation, and collecting the leg. Step forward, both legs are straight, I have preparing my hip, and then again I'm doing the pendulum, rotation, and closing my knee to the Latin cross. Then again, step, pendulum, rotation, and releasing the leg. Step, pendulum, rotation, collecting. Step, pendulum, rotation, releasing. Step, pendulum, rotation, collecting. Step, pendulum, rotation, releasing my knee, and again, step, pendulum, rotation, collecting my leg. To understand exactly how to do it, we can do one exercise. The easiest way to understand how it works is to make just moving our weight on the one place. So I'm making a step, I'm putting my heel on the floor and doing the line to the moving side. Yeah? As you see, when I'm stepping on the leg, my hip is preparing here, it's still here, it's not there. Yeah, I'm not doing like already there. I'm preparing it, and then I'm doing pendulum. When I'm doing pendulum, my weight is moving to the front part of my feet. Yeah, and this and this. So, step, pendulum, front part of the foot, rotation. Heel on the floor, pendulum action, rotation, and releasing. Step, pendulum, rotation, releasing. Step, pendulum, rotation, releasing. This is the first exercise which you need to do many times to understand how does it work on one place. So I will show you from this side. The best exercise to understand how the pendulum action and the rotation works on the one place. So I'm putting the heel on the floor, making the line. My hip is preparing here. Then I'm moving pendulum action to the diagonal, not to the side, not forward, but to the diagonal. When I'm making this, my weight is on the front part of my foot. Then I'm doing the rotation and settle. Step to the leg, making the line, pendulum action, front part of the foot, rotation, settle. Step, pendulum, rotation, settle. Step, pendulum, rotation, settle. If you want to understand how it works in steps, we need to do it from the neutral position. Then I'm pushing my weight from this leg by hanging up my heel like this. Making the line here the same way as we're doing it when we stand on the one place. The heel is preparing. Then I'm doing the pendulum. I have my weight on the front part, making rotation. Then I can collect my leg. Step, line, changing on one place. Step, changing on one place. And then again, step, heel up, heel down, preparation. Pendulum action, rotation. Then collecting my leg. And again, on one place, step. This movement called time step. Yeah? It's one of the basic movements in Cha-Cha-Cha. It's good to understand how we can correctly transfer our weight. Let's repeat once again. Step, preparation, one line. Pendulum action, rotation. Collecting the leg. Step, one line, pendulum action, rotation, releasing the knee. Step, one line, pendulum action, rotation, releasing the knee. Step, pendulum, rotation, collect. Step, pendulum, rotation, release. Step, pendulum, rotation, release. Step, pendulum, rotation, collect. The same way we're using this in the basic movement. The basic movement in Cha-Cha-Cha is going to do like this. Chasse, cha, cha, 1. Forward check, 2, 3. Again chasse, cha, cha, 1. And back replace, 2, 3. So, we have step, pendulum, rotation, collecting. Step, pendulum, rotation, releasing the knee. Step, pendulum, rotation, collecting. Then forward walk. Forward step. Step, pendulum action. Then when I'm doing the rotation, I'm closing my knee to the Latin cross. Close. Step, pendulum, rotation, releasing the weight from the knee, from the leg, and collect it. Step, pendulum, rotation, collect. Step, pendulum, rotation, release. Step, pendulum, rotation, collect, and then back replace. Step, as you see, I have preparing my hip, then I'm doing the pendulum action, rotation, step, pendulum action, rotation, and collecting my leg. That's all about the basic movement. If you can use these balls exercise on one place and the time step at least a few times a week, I think you will understand how it works, and it will help you in your dancing. Thank you for your attention.